Hey guys, today we are at the Fragrant Jewels warehouse and we're gonna see how everything is made, so let's go. Okay guys, we are finally in the warehouse and it is so huge, and I'm gonna show you some of my favorite bath bombs, starting with the cupcake. It's so cute, has little sparkles in it, and keep in mind, every single one of these has a ring inside.
Rows and rows of these. It's crazy.
This one is so cute. It's a little bunny. And on the bottom, it has all the colors.
So much detail.
There's a little octopus.
Cute.
That's so pretty.
So many here, and we're gonna get to take a look at how these are made today. I think you're gonna make one, right? And we'll show you the different ring collections that go into these, how they're made. They're all made right here in LA, in the USA. So fun.
Okay, now we're going into the room where they actually make the bath bombs, and I might even get to make one, so let's go.
All right, so Lauren is giving a go at making her very first bath bomb. You forgot the ring.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, okay. I think I did it. Okay.
Go, sis. You did it! Yay!
I did it!
Yay, so good. Okay, so now we are in the candle making facility part of the warehouse, and this is really cool. As you can see, the candle jars are going through the label maker. They're getting a label put on them, and then you'll also see that each of these candles has a sticker on it with a number. That is the ring size, because each candle also has a ring inside, so they have to be separated out by size and of course style. There's so many different styles of rings, it's insane. So when they do these in batches, that all has to be accounted for and done meticulously, so that whatever you order, you're getting one of the ring sizes and ring styles from the collection that you ordered. So as you can see, they're doing that right here, putting the wicks in. It's quite a process. It's so cool. And I think the coolest part is we're going to get to see how they actually put the ring inside here. Just like that. So when you burn your candle, you'll get to the part where you get to take your ring out, which is so cool. Such a cool gift idea. So we're going to show you the complete process. We'll just follow these jars right on through the facility. How cool is that? And the best part is they smell amazing. Okay guys, we are back in the warehouse, and again, I just want to show you how extensive the Fragrant Jewels product line is. I just can't even put into words how many awesome products they have. This product line, there is so much, and it's so good. So again, hundreds of different bath bombs, candles, body scrubs, and whatnot. It goes on and on forever, and I am so impressed with this product line. So I'm going to give you a peek at everything here in the warehouse. I will leave coupon codes down below so that you can not only order but save. Uh-oh, she found the body scrubs. It's really endless. Like, you could just keep looking and looking and looking. There are so many fun items here, so many great gift items. In fact, we're going to get a pick and order here in a minute. So I'm going to give you a peek at just how deep this warehouse is, and then we'll come back and do that. What'd you find?
Everything.
Okay, you ready to pick an order?
Yes, I am.
How about we put one together?
Okay, let's do it. Okay, while I'm here, I wanted to pick and ship an order, and I have a friend with a birthday, so we're gonna do one for her. I think we're gonna start off with the little birthday bath bomb. It's so cute.
So perfect.
Okay, let's keep going. Cupcake one. Should I do that one?
Yeah, it's pretty cute.
Since also so cute, has little sparkles. Let's do that one.
I don't know how you're going to make your mind up.
Me neither. Ooh, little pineapples. It's a little pineapple.
That's really cute. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, let's go over to the scrubs.
Okay.
Look how pretty this one is. I love you.
Oh, that's so cute.
Pink and purple. It matches the bath bomb.
Perfect.
Let's do that one. Should we do one more?
Oh, I like the packet ones.
Ooh, that one's pretty. Island time.
Island time. Perfect.
Cute. Okay.
Yep.
Should we do a candle?
Yeah, of course we should. I don't know how you're going to make up your mind on a candle.
Okay, I've narrowed it down to two options, which wasn't easy because there's so many candles to choose from. But I think I'm gonna go with this one.
So
it smells so good.
Okay. Okay, and here's the coolest thing about all of these. They all have a ring inside them. That's the mind-blowing part. So when you give someone a gift, it's not just what they're getting, right?
Mm-hmm. All of these have a ring inside.
So cool.
Okay. Perfect.
Now to shipping. Okay, I just wanted to point out, while she is packaging up her first shipment, we have received Fragrant Jewels shipments in the past, and they are so well packaged. These are not easy items to ship, and they do such a fantastic job. Looking good. All right. Awesome. There we go. Maybe I'll get a job. All right, guys, that is a literal wrap on our time here at the Fragrant Jewels facility in LA. I will leave all of the details, links, and coupon codes down below. This is Carrie, Lynn, and Lauren for shesave.com.